Welcome to the driver's seat. It was just 4 months ago we were in San Antonio to launch the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra full-size pickup truck. Now, since 2015, Toyota's top-of-the-line trim level, the most luxurious, was the 1794. That was named after the ranch where the factory where they build the Tundra and other Toyota vehicles is in San Antonio, Texas. But this year, they had to go one step further, and we have the all-new Capstone level edition, and it just takes everything one notch above. Starting price is about $74,000. Really only one option you can get, and that's the adjustable air suspension, which is great if you're going to be doing some towing. With that, you also get head-up display. Kind of a strange combination, but definitely an option. If you're already going to spend almost $74,000, might as well just take it up to $75,000. And that may sound like a lot of money, but when you look at Ford, Ram, and Chevy, that's where they top out at, and I just see this going up and up. 70% of all new vehicles sold in America today are light trucks. That includes pickup trucks, SUVs, vans, etc. And that number is just going to keep going up. These are no longer just functional trucks. These are luxury vehicles. Let's take a look at the all-new Tundra Capstone. So this is the top of the line, designed to compete with the Elite from Ford, Ram, and Chevy. It's definitely on the luxurious side. And one of the reasons I could tell you that is because we asked during the Q&A portion of the presentation if you can get the Capstone with crawl control and locking rear differentials, and the answer was a resounding no. Is that a mistake? Well, basically, if you want that, you're looking at TRD Pro and 1794, and I believe the SR5. Otherwise, you can't get it. But as you can see, that everything has moved completely upscale. Much nicer leather, nicer trim, open pore wood. You name it. This is obviously a big step up from the 17. Well, I would say a big step up, but it's nicer than the 1794. So that obviously Toyota felt the need to go upscale with it. Overall, looks good. Starting price on the Capstone is $74,000, and it only comes in a 5.5-foot bed and only in a crew cab max. We'll give you a driving impression shortly. Toyota tells us to expect the Capstone name on several models in the future. In fact, the 2023 Sequoia they just unveiled yesterday is going to be launched with a Capstone edition. However, that one could be available in two-wheel or four-wheel drive. One thing about this Tundra Capstone is it's only available in four-wheel drive, only with a hybrid motor, and only with a 5.5-foot bed. So they really wanted to go upscale and kind of look at the most important options that would be appealing to a buyer of that affluent nature. So as you can see, Capstone is the top of the line, and we're certain that Ford, Chevy, and Ram are going to answer shortly. I'm Ron Doran. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on The Driver's Seat.
5.5-foot bed, and it's equipped with our most impressive powertrain, the iForce Max twin turbo V6 hybrid. It's our most powerful offering, producing impressive power and efficiency. And iForce Max is special, and we're going to take a little moment here in just a few to bring up a special guest to talk about the iForce Max more. Now, that powertrain is going to be made into the all-new 10-speed automatic transmission. And the more I've driven this truck, the more I've come to truly appreciate how seamlessly it pairs with the iForce Max. It's just so smooth, sometimes you don't even feel the gear shift. Now, visually, Capstone is set apart from the lineup with upscale features. And it's just the right blend of chrome and color keyed accents for a classy look. And who could miss the 22s? Because this is going to be the very first Tundra fitted with 22-inch wheels straight from the factory. Now, standard running boards make getting into the cabin convenient for the entire family. And then once inside, Capstone feels premium and plush. The accent lights are found on the floor, doors, and dash. And I just absolutely love the American walnut wood touches. Now, the front and back seats feature luxury-grade semi-aniline leather, and the panoramic moonroof can transform the in-cabin experience in just seconds. And Capstone is the only Tundra to feature acoustic glass to provide an even quieter cabin experience. The 12.3-inch digital instrumentation panel comes standard, as well as the 10-inch color head-up display. And who could miss the 14-inch multimedia touchscreen? This massive screen controls our all-new multimedia system, another aspect of the truck that was designed right here in the US. Now in Capstone, the towing technology package comes standard, and it has numerous camera angles to assist the driver with a trailer attached to the back. Because our teams wanted next level technology to provide supreme confidence for towing, and they absolutely hit it out of the park. So for those who tow regularly, the available ABS and load leveling air suspension can be added. So with all those amenities and features to differentiate and elevate Capstone, it is absolutely clear we are bringing our A game to the luxury truck segment.